we are going to place the material property for the column. So we highlight on the column. Just click Control so that you can highlight another column and the last column. Okay, so we click on material property. Okay, so what would be our dimension? So let's say 300 by 300. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so we perform analysis. Okay, so by the way, this icon here should be click no kung frame. So frame kung trust ang imong i-analyze, so kaning trust ng icon imong i-click, or ari ka sa structure and then check ang frame for beams and frames nga analyzon. Okay, so masayop na ang imong analysis kung trust imong structure niya analyzon nimo siya as frame, or frame imong structure niya analyzon nimo siya as truss. Okay, so they should be consistent. Okay, so we perform analysis. Save. Okay, so we go to the ultimate load. So we have three combinations for ultimate load 1. So these are your displacement, your moment, and your shear, and then your normal force. So the values, you can see that in view, result values, or you can check on the table and member forces. So this one here, So you have the member labels, and then the moment at the left end. So you call that MZI, and then MPOS if you have a positive moment. So let's say we click on the moment here. Okay, so for B10, this is your B10. So on the left end, you have negative 9.1. So this one here, so rounded off to 1 decimal place. Okay, so MPOS is the positive value. So this one here, which is equal to 14.84, and MZJ is the moment at the right end of the member. So you have 17.5. So mana siya there. And then FY is your shear. So if you click on the shear, kaning V, so mana imo makita. So FYI is the shear at the left end. Mana siya. And at the right end, so FYJ. Fx is the normal force of the member. Or pwede pod kag click nimo ang member, so makita nimo ni. So kani ang length sa meter is divided into 21 divisions. Yeah, makita nimo ang moment, ang shear, ug ang iyang normal force. So pwede kani imong tan-awon, but maglibog kag tagsa-tagsa. So it's better to see that in the tabulated form. Or you can set up the report, go to file, and then report setup. Okay, so mo ni ang gawa sa imong report. So kung kanita na imong i-print, baga kaayo ang imong report. So mo nang pilion ra nato ni ang kadtong pinaka-importante nga data nga atong kuhaon nga atong gamiton sa atong design. Okay, so first, nothing in report. So we have the cover page, the general info, nodal information, material information, member information. We don't have self. Dili samanta sa dead load. So we have dead loading sketch, and then the live loading sketch, the wind loading sketch, then the earthquake loading sketch. And then diretso na ta sa atong ultimate load result. Okay, ultimate load. So na po ni siya tagsa-tagsa, pero mo nang di na nato Tagsa-tagsahon naa kay ultimate load, support reactions, bending moment diagram, shear force